My name is Luke Chaplin. I'm from northwest Queensland, a town called Cloncurry, and I grew up there on a property about half an hour north of there. I'm the founder of SkyKelpie. SkyKelpie is in the business of mustering livestock with drones. So we're reasonably new. We did some trials with Meat Livestock Australia and the Queensland Department of Agriculture and Fisheries. And proved, does this work? We had a lot of success in those trials, and now we're starting to develop some training tools that'll help graziers and farmers fly the drones themselves. So the work that I do is using a drone, which is like a flying robot in the sky. And it's really cool because what you can do with the drone is get an aerial view, a bird's eye view. And that's really helpful because you can see the animals a lot more clearly. Because when you're on the ground, on a motorbike or on a horse, it's a little bit harder to see, behind the trees and whatnot. So if you can put the drone up and look on your screen, you can find all the animals. And then once I find the animals, I actually send the drone closer to them. And I try not to give them too much of a fright. I try to, keep them in a peaceful, state of mind. And then I move them towards a watering point, and they all come together. And then from there, I take them to a yarding facility where I, sort them out. Usually, traditional methods of mustering is done on a horse, so a person on a horse, on a motorbike, but also helicopters have been very popular. Now, I'm sure everyone loves helicopters, and that's actually been popular for, since the 70s. So we're talking about, 50 years ago that helicopters have been used for this. But helicopters are quite expensive. It costs quite a lot of money to muster livestock with helicopters, and it can be a little bit dangerous as well. So the beauty of a drone, if I'm a little bit silly with the drone and accidentally crash it, it's just the drone that we lose, and no one is hurt. So that's why using a drone is quite good. So using a drone is better for the environment because we're not using fossil fuels to power it. It's also saving the farmers money, because it's a little bit of an investment. You have to pay some money to buy the drone, but in the long run, it costs less to own the drone and operate it yourself instead of hiring a helicopter. It also takes away the burden of sometimes needing lots of people to come and help you. So on my farm, now it's just me and my dad and maybe another helper, and we can do all the mustering on our own. So we don't need to call lots of other people because it's getting a little bit harder and harder to find people to help us on the farm, which is maybe why you guys need to think about a career in agriculture, because it's very fun. Drones are reasonably new, the flying robots, the drones, they're reasonably new. Just like when cars first came into the world, they were pretty kind of basic. But as we've seen, as the years gone on, they're really amazing now. So drones at the moment, the ones that are best suited for mustering, only stay in the air for about 30 minutes. So in the future, quite a long time from now, drones will probably stay in the air forever. They probably don't even need to come down. So there'll be a lot of progress. There'll be the drones will get a lot better in terms of staying up in the air a lot longer. Well, I think it's important to know that there is a future in agriculture because the world is getting bigger and bigger. There's a lot more people, there's a lot more babies being born, and agriculture and farmers are the reason why we have food on the table. So they play a really important role. So the future is For sure. So there is going to be agriculture. There is going to be maybe more technology that will help the farmer's life a lot better. And then from that, within agriculture, there's not just jobs for being a farmer, out in the field. There's office jobs as well, and all sorts of things. So it's very, very exciting and important to explore all the different jobs in agriculture.